Alright, so after Brock killed one of these big ass spiders the other week, one's back for revenge, so we're gonna kill it. There it is, little monster. Brock's gonna take the video. Here, I'm gonna have to stand over there because that's where the wind's blowing.
Oh, that's fast. Alright.
Don't let it go inside the apartment.
Do you want me to knock him down?
Yeah, go ahead. He's like losing
I'll
it.
cut off his legs.
Smash it.
Whoops.
Did you get big?
No, I
No.
don't see any babies.
Alright, he's smashed.
That's very small.
That's the end of that one. Cool.
That one wasn't.
Yeah.